Hey y'all, so we're going to show you how to do a quick bouquet. It's very simple. We did use 3 bouquets from, I think, Walmart. We had a vase on hand, but you know, Publix, places like that, like Walmart, Target, of course, even Dollar Tree, has vases that you can use. First, you're going to go ahead and cut it out of the bag, and you're going to use the Flora Life. And I don't know if you guys know that you would actually use bleach in this. I don't know if that's a new thing. I don't know if I really ever knew that, but Robert did put bleach in it today. You will see that as well. And then you would go ahead and stir it up or mix it up. Take off the rubber band. It's good to have scissors at this time or a knife. And as you'll see, like I said, you don't put a lot of bleach in it, just a little. A little will do you. It does look a little cloudy, but I promise you by the end of it, it will not look as cloudy once you are ready to give it to your significant other, and you're going to be excited. And I'm telling you, it doesn't harm the flowers or anything like that. If anything, it's supposed to promote health for them, or maybe growth. I don't know which one it would be. But yeah, so here's another little trick here where you're basically measuring how you're going to trim it. So you'll see him blind it up to the vase, and then he basically cuts where he thinks it's going to fit. Now this little trick is also nifty. You go ahead and put it between your hands for roses, and if they're closed, they're going to basically open up. Like this one was a little bit open, but it opened up way more once he did that little hand gesture thingy baba. And then also key facts to this, not facts, but key things that you need to do is take off anything that you believe is either dead or dying, just so that it won't spread and hurt your other flowers. And you're basically trying to just see where they fit in and put them in how you desire. You can look up videos, or trust me, whatever you think is good, sometimes you're going to have to maneuver a few things also. So you just do what's best for you and what you like. And again, he does that to each and every rose, as you will see. He basically puts it between his hands and just goes to town, all right? And then, like I said, anything that looks like it's dying or dead, you will go ahead and remove it just so that it won't affect the rest of the flowers. And I think this was a good one that you can kind of see it was closed, and then it opened up like a lot. And also at this time too, you can get like a little balloon. You can get other accents to go with it, like that purple one that we had. It was so pretty. I think they spray painted it, but you'll see how we put that in because it's a little bit longer. You will need like probably a sharper knife to cut those two. I think the purple flower, whatever that really is, it's not really a flower, it's more like a plant or a stem. I would say like a plant. You can cut it with a scissor, but the one, I'll show you guys what it looked like because I don't really know the term for it. This one right here, it was hard to do with scissors. You had to basically either break it or you had to cut it. But you had to cut it kind of like cut it first, and then you could break it into two, like snap it. And again, if they're longer, you just put them in the middle so it can kind of stand out. And then you're also going to put the balloon here as well. It says Happy Valentine's Day. So they have those at Dollar Tree as well. And then this is the final look. And you will go ahead and remove the blue thing off of it. And then you can put the rose petals that you did have on it at the bottom of it. And it's gonna look so cute. I hope y'all have a great day. Love y'all. Bye. Happy V-Day.